Hello, my name is Karen, and I want to speak today about my biggest skill concerning this position. My strongest skill is a healthy lifestyle in connection with communication. 20 years ago, I suffered a very bad eczema, so I changed my diet to a vegan diet, and it was healed within 2 weeks, which convinced me that nutrition has a huge impact in your health and as well in your energy. I discovered changes on a physical level, on an intellectual level, on an emotional level, and on an energetical level. And together with my family, my partner, and friends, I did very beautiful experience, and I started to understand better the connection between nutrition and health. And that's why I have a very profound and deep knowledge about nutrition, which is not out of books or from workshops. And on the other hand, I like a lot the communication. That's what happened to me when people saw that I'm different, I'm living different, I'm eating different. They're asking questions and they are interested because they can see that that we are a happy family, and they want to know what's the recipe for this. And so many of them ask me questions, and I'm very happy to live in Portugal now since 7 years. And I discovered a lot of cultural differences and how to live with them. And I love to communicate with people from different cultures and to dive deep into these differences. That's why I like a lot translation work. And about the growth of the Raw Foods family, of the company, how can I contribute to this? I mainly work as a kind of booster, and for me it's about energetical balance, it's about connection. That's where I can imagine to help as well. What I like is to spread the word and to walk the talk, and I like to participate in people's changes. And what I'm really passionate for is to do raw foods, small raw food things, experiences, especially together with children.